Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to reset the tire pressure monitor system on a Ford Focus. This one is the generation from 2011-12 up until now. We installed a new set of wheels. We had different wheels and now we do not have the factory sensors in the tires. So right now inside, when we start the vehicle, we are getting the warning light. Okay, let me show you that there is low tire pressure, and it's actually not low tire pressure. Okay, let's see now. Okay, you can see the light is on. It says low tire pressure and you have this light on here. In order to recognize all the sensors and turn the light off, what do we need to do? We need to make sure that we have 40 psi in each of the tires. So make sure that you pump them all the way up to 40. Okay, let me show you now. This one is 40 right here. And now, what do we need to do? We need to go inside the vehicle. You need to close the door, make sure you have no doors open. You need to turn the key off, pull it out, put the key in, and turn it to the second position before you start the car. And now pump the emergency thing 6 times for 5 seconds. So hit it 6 times for 5 seconds. And now it says train left front tire. So now we need to go outside the vehicle. Okay, and we need to let the air out of it until the car honks at us again. And you're going to hear a beep from the horn and it will say train. Okay, right there, train right front tire. So you go again and you do the same procedure. You let air out of the tire until you hear the honk again. And anytime you should honk at us. Usually it honks at around 30 psi and now it says train right rear tire. So now you go to the right rear side and you do the same procedure. Okay, like that. And now the last one is the rear left tire. Okay, right there. And now we should have a message inside that says training complete. And as you can see, it says training complete. And now we're going to go ahead and turn the key off, turn the key on. And we shouldn't have the tire light on at all. As you can see, no warning light at all. So that's how you rewarm the sensors on a Ford Focus or any new Ford past 2011. Thank you guys for watching it. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.